Hi guys, I forget to do an intro, so here it is. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I show you guys how I did these individual lashes by myself. So if you are interested, just continue watching. Yeah, all up in my face though. So this is the lash that I'm gonna be using, guys. It's by QL. I got this from Amazon. It's 8 mm to 15 mm. It's a mixture, and I think I'm gonna use my hair glue today, my hair bonding glue. This is what I used to put my lashes on sometimes. And yeah, because it's my first time, I'm gonna use this and then see how long it lasts. If it not last long, may use this. This is a lash tie for individual lashes by Ardell, but it's my first time, so I want to work with my hair glue because it's my first time. So yeah, and I'm gonna leave like all the products that I use. I'm gonna use this tweezer too, so I'm gonna leave it down below. I'm gonna leave a link for the Amazon link. Just putting the glue on this with care paper. I don't know what's wrong with it. It's not coming through the top, but yeah. I'm not gonna put like too much at first because you know hair glue dry really quick, really fast. So yeah, so I'm just gonna like pull some off. Honestly, don't even know how much may I pull, just freestyle. I've never done this before, as I said, so yeah, this is what I see my lash tape do. She squeeze it together and create a fan. So this is what one of the fans look like. I don't know if you guys can see, but yeah, the glue almost dry already. So I go just dip it in a little glue, and then this is where I'm gonna put it, like underneath. I don't think I have enough glue. Wait. We're gonna trust the process and keep going. Alright guys, so towards this end, this is where I'm gonna put like the 13 mm, 15, and I think I'll put 12. So I put 13 out there, 15, and I think I'm gonna put 12 in here. So it's coming together. It's coming together. I put like 213 and then the rest 12. Next time I think I want to try the pre-made fans because this is pretty time consuming. My natural lashes are kind of long. They're like getting into the way, but we're gonna make it work. You see my natural lashes? Look. So it's like getting like into the way over here. Cause they're not straight. They're like all over the place. Like, how the hell my lash take much when she do my lash them? I don't know. I have a lot and they're like crisscross. Can you see? These are all mine. So, and then look at this. Together. So this is what the first eye look like, and I think I'm gonna do the other eye off camera and then come back when we finish. I like it. Probably gonna put like 2 more right here, so but then my eyes start water, so it kind of wet right here, so wet, but I'm gonna put like 1 more right here, 1 there and 1 there, and then finish the next eye and come back. These are what they're looking like. I mean, I'm tearing up a little so they're like getting wet, and I noticed that the hair glue is like washable because it's like loosening up, but I wish I had used this glue. And also I wish I had a fan, you know, the little small fan that the lash sticks have, but I didn't have that, so I used my blow dryer. So if you guys would like to see me do another video with this one, and also to give you guys like an update on how long these last using the hair bonding glue, just let me know down below and I will definitely make that video for you guys. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys, later.